In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take in sides on the vest. As you see, I pinned it right here exactly how much I need to take it in on the customer. There is two options for marking. You can mark from outside, or you can write how much exactly you need to take it in. I will open the lining inside, and then I will take a chalk and then I will mark from inside. So whatever method it's easier for you, you're welcome to use it. After I mark, I take off the pins and then I will turn it to the wrong side through that hole I open in the lining. So as you see, you can see the lines exactly how I marked. Now, before you taking in, make sure it's exactly so like original. As you see, the edge is folded a little bit, and you see this part, it have to be exactly matching the seam. And then fold it to lining direction. You can put a pin so it'll be easier for you to sew. I'll put another pin at the waistline, and it's same thing to other side. As you see, originally it's folded to the lining, and now I'm gonna just add another pin, and now we're gonna just make a stitch, sew it right there. Don't forget to do the back stitch as well. So as you see, the stitch is done. So when you turn to the right side, this is how it's supposed to look on the sides. So this is the armhole line, just to get a vision. Now, as you know, we opened the lining right here, and now we have to close it. The way I will close it, I'm gonna start sew as much as I can from like outside, and then when I have a little hole, I will close it by hand. So let's sew it first, and then we take a needle and start from inside so we can hide the knot. So when we're sewing invisible stitch, you have to pinch a little bit of the right fabric and a little bit of the lining. And we have to close a full line. And at the end, you just make a knot and it's good to go. Okay, don't forget to press it before you finish. So this is our sides. Everything looks just original and ready for customer to pick up. That's all for the vest. Thank you.